Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming which pixel model and any eligibility rules. This matters because discounts vary by model and trade-in. Next, sign into your Google account and add a primary payment method so checkout is ready. Once done, subscribe to the Google Store mailing list and allow browser cookies and pop-ups so promo banners can appear. These steps speed discovery of codes and ensure applied codes survive to checkout. Do this now to be ready for the deal search and redemption steps. You now hunt for valid codes. Check the Google Store promotions page, student portals, and your carrier offers because some discounts stack. Then search coupon aggregators and recent Reddit deal threads for fresh, verified codes. Influencers sometimes share time-limited links. When you find a code, paste it in the checkout promo field and observe the subtotal change. Make sure to combine codes with trade-in credits or carrier rebates when allowed. Otherwise, you lose potential savings. If a code fails, you complete the purchase by reviewing the final price and confirming taxes, shipping, and all discounts are applied. You should see the promo reflected in the subtotal. After payment, save confirmation emails and screenshot the order summary showing the discount for records. If the code does not apply, try using a different Google account or browser, clear cookies, or retry with only the essential items in cart. If problems persist, contact Google Store support and provide screenshots so they can validate the promo and correct the order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.